Hey guys, I want to show you just how easy it is to make your own vanilla extract. The first day of fall was just a couple days ago, and that means the holidays are right around the corner, and that means a lot of holiday baking and cooking. So this year, why not make those things that you're baking and cooking extra special by using your own homemade vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is so easy to make and requires only two simple ingredients: vanilla beans and a solvent, in this case alcohol. Let me show you just how easy it is to make. These are the beans I bought this year from Amazon. They were $54, but I'm sure if you shop around a bit you can find a better deal. I'm just not much of a shopper. This is the vodka that I used. It's 100 proof. You can get 80 or 90, but from what I've read, it says that the higher the proof, the better the extraction. So making it is so very simple. All you got to do is put the pieces of beans in your bottles and pour the vodka in over top. You can use any bottles you want. I use these bottles just because I had them, and I wanted to use the clear ones to be able to show you the process as it goes along, so I'll do some update videos. So there was 25 beans in this package. I'm just going to divide it up and put 8 beans in each jar, and then take the last bean and just cut it into 3 pieces and split it up into jars. So really simple. Divide the beans up, and now I'm going to take the beans. You want to increase the surface area of the bean to make it easier and faster to let the alcohol extract the compounds out of the beans. So I just cut them up here in about 1-inch pieces, 3/4 inch pieces, and put them all down in the jar. This is probably the hardest and most time-consuming part of the whole process, is getting those beans pieces down in the jar. So here I am, just going to fill this jar up, or put the beans in the jar and get them all in there. It's amazing how much this vanilla bean smells as you're cutting it up. It's really nice. So now I'm just going to pour the alcohol in the jar and just pour it up to the top. This was a 1500, I guess, milliliter bottle of vodka, and this was 3 16-ounce jars. So there's just a little bit left over at the end. And this wasn't a very expensive vodka. You can get much more expensive ones. You can get organic ones, gluten-free, whatever. Just fill the jar up, get the top on it, and then you're going to put it away in a dark place. And about once a week, you're going to shake the jar up like I'm going to show you, and just let it set. And a couple months later, you'll have vanilla extract. That's as hard as the process is. It really is so simple, and it is so delicious. And I give it away as Christmas gift. Put it in smaller bottles I get on Amazon, and what a special Christmas gift that is. Alright, that is the whole process of making vanilla extract. So now that I've shown you just how easy it is to make homemade vanilla extract, I hope that I've convinced you to try making your own this year. If you've liked this video, please do me a favor and click that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and God bless.